How do you, visual communicators, improve your effectiveness to positively convey the intended connotative messages encoded in your work? With many years' experience of teaching of design and illustration to university students, I have observed 5 common problems students have with embedding semiotic theory. Students hear semiotic signs and think signage. They think it is the design of signage. They hear semiotic signs and think a method to understand what has already been created. Students misconstrue semiotics as a fixed thing instead of an open-ended process. They believe semiotics to be an abstract thought exercise in books that are not relevant to their visual communication work. Finally, students are frightened to begin to understand semiotics because it is not written in their language. Semiosis 101's first 5 videos of season 2 will address these problems.